Imagine making real money just by playing video games. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it isn't. Welcome to a new age of earning, where the line between leisure and livelihood blurs. Let's talk about an app that's revolutionizing this space, Krazy Drift. It's a gaming platform where you don't just play, you earn. And the best part? It's absolutely free. No hidden in-app purchases, no pay-to-win gimmicks, just pure gaming and pure earning. Now you may be thinking, it's probably just a few bucks, right? Wrong. Krazy Drift has already handed out tens of thousands of dollars to players. That's right, tens of thousands of dollars just for playing games. From your living room, the bus station, the subway, anywhere. So are you ready to join the ranks of these lucky players? Don't just take our word for it, hear it from the players themselves. Meet Sarah, a college student who was simply looking for a fun way to pass the time between her classes. She stumbled upon Krazy Drift and got hooked on the thrill of the games. To her surprise, she won $100 during her first week. Then there's John, a night shift worker who found Krazy Drift to be the perfect way to unwind after a long day. He didn't have high expectations, but was thrilled when he pocketed $50 after just a few games. And let's not forget about Maria, a busy mom who barely gets a moment to herself. She decided to give Krazy Drift a try during her rare downtime and ended up winning $75. These are just ordinary people who decided to give Krazy Drift a try and ended up with a nice little bonus. Still think it's too good to be true? Well, these folks would beg to differ. Now that you've heard the success stories, you must be itching to give it a try. Well, wait no more. Krazy Drift is ready to give you the thrill of gaming and the joy of earning. And the best part? It's absolutely free to download and play. Yes, you heard it right. No hidden charges, no in-app purchases, no paying to win. Just pure gaming fun. With Krazy Drift, you get access to a variety of games that cater to all tastes. Whether you're into action, puzzle, or strategy games, we've got you covered. And it's not just about the fun. Every game you play brings you closer to potential cash rewards. Remember, you can play anywhere, anytime. On your couch, during your lunch break, or even while waiting for the bus. All you need is your phone and a zest for gaming. Why wait? Your journey to earning real money starts now. Before we wrap up, we have one more thing to ask of you. If you found this video helpful, or even just entertaining, we'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button. It's a small gesture, but it lets us know that we're on the right track. And while you're at it, why not share this video with your friends? There's a good chance they'd be interested in earning some extra cash through Krazy Drift, just like you. Plus, sharing our content helps us grow, allowing us to bring you more videos about awesome opportunities like this one. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we drop new videos. And trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Remember, the game is on and the rewards are real. We'll see you on Krazy Drift.